Today I'm going to be sharing a Stitch Fix unboxing with you. I have been a member of Stitch Fix for a while now. I've shown you guys quite a few unboxing videos. I will leave a playlist linked here if you guys are interested. But recently I was able to join the Stitch Fix Style Pass. Basically, instead of paying $20 for each box and then having that go towards your clothes in the box, you just pay $50 in a lump sum. That goes towards anything you purchase from future boxes, and then you don't have to pay the $20 styling fee each time you get a box. So one thing that kept me from doing Stitch Fix more often was that there was always the chance that I would pay that $20 and that there would be nothing that I liked. And I would either I would lose the $20 if I just sent everything back, or I would get something that I didn't love just so I didn't lose my styling fee, and then it would sit in my closet. So the Style Pass is a lot better because I can just get a box, and then if I don't like anything, I can send it all back. So that's kind of nice. Granted, if you get something, then you do have to pay in that $20 that you didn't have to pay in if you paid the styling fee, but you know, either way, you're spending that $20, and I'd rather spend it on stuff that I really like rather than just spending it on stuff because I feel like I have to. So actually the dress that I'm wearing today was in my last Stitch Fix unboxing that I shared with you guys, so this one is from that. I love this dress. I think it's great. So I definitely have some favorite pieces that come from Stitch Fix, so it's something that I like to keep getting every so often. So in this box, I think I asked for cute summer tops, and then I think I asked for shirts that would, or dresses that would transition into the classroom when I get back to school in the fall when I teach. So my stylist sent me two dresses. So the first one that she sent me is the Kaileigh Annabelle knit dress in navy. This one's $58, and this one I liked. I think it would be perfect to transition back into the classroom. It is a good length. It has a nice modest cut in the front. I could just throw on a cardigan and it'd be great. I thought it was cute, and I think it's flattering, but the material, I don't know if you guys can tell from this, it's kind of like this textured material that I don't love. And so while I like it, I don't absolutely love it, but my sister, actually, I was showing her the things that I got in my box, and she said she had pinned this dress, and so she tried it on, and she actually wanted me to see if I could get it exchanged for a medium so that she could keep it. So that's what I'm going to do with that one. So technically I'm keeping it, but I'm not keeping it for myself. I'm going to see if I can exchange it for a medium. The second dress that I got is the one that I'm actually going to be keeping for myself. This is the Papermoon Damara shirt dress in dark purple. This one is $54, but this one I really, really like because this one I could easily wear in the classroom, and I wouldn't even have to have a cardigan or anything. It's pretty lightweight, and I think it's just cute and modest, and I would get a lot of use out of this one. So I'm going to keep this one. Then she sent me a couple of shirts, which are okay. I don't think I'm absolutely in love with them. My sister actually has this shirt. This shirt is the Papermoon Karalie Halter knit top in red. This one's $28. It's fine. I don't know. I don't love this style. Like, the halter style isn't my favorite thing ever. I just don't think it's the most flattering on me. And I don't like wearing strapless bras, so I would have to wear like a strapless bra or get like a different, I don't know. I don't think I'm going to keep it. I think it is cute, but I just don't need it. So I don't think I'm going to keep this one. I think it's cute, but I just don't see myself wearing it a ton. Next up was this t-shirt. This is the pink clover Daisee button back detail knit in light gray. This one is $34, and I am kind of torn about this one. This one's really soft and comfortable. I think the back detailing is cute-ish. I don't know. I need to look at the footage from trying it on a little bit more and see if I actually want to keep it. I'm kind of on the fence about this one. It's kind of cute. I actually just had it on because I just filmed a declutter for my nail polishes, and it's super soft and comfortable. So I'm like, that might be the deciding factor. I might keep that one. I'm undecided. And then the last thing I got is this pair of shorts. And these are the Tinsel Millicent shorts in dark gray. These are $38. Again, I'm going to have to look at the footage of the try-on. As of right now, I'm not like absolutely in love with them. They're fine. I don't know. They're okay. I don't think I absolutely love them, but they're okay. I'm going to watch the footage and decide from there. Like, it'd be nice to have a nice casual pair of shorts that aren't like denim shorts, which is pretty much all I have. So there's one dress that I'm keeping for sure because I love, one I'm keeping for my sister because she likes that one. And then the shorts and the shirt I'm undecided on, and one shirt that I'm pretty on. So in total, it would be $212. If you keep all 5 pieces with Stitch Fix, you get a 25% off discount, so that would be $53 off my total price. So if I kept everything, it'd be $159. Here's where the problem comes in, where I have to kind of decide. So both dresses together are $112. So if I'm on the fence about the other couple, I don't know, like it's always that balance. Like, do I just keep all 5 anyway because it'd be cheaper and it's almost the same price if I kind of like those other ones? I don't know. I'm undecided about the button-up shirt and the shorts. Let me know what you guys think about those in the comments down below. So as of right now, I'm kind of on the fence about those other 2. I'll leave in the description box what I decided to do with them once I watch back the footage and figure out for sure what I'm going to do with them. But I would love to know your thoughts on the stuff that I got. If you thought I should have kept the shorts and the shirt, let me know that in the comments below. If you want to check out Stitch Fix, I will leave my referral code in the description box. If you do that, it gives me a certain amount of money back that I can use towards future Stitch Fixes, which is always nice, but obviously you don't have to. If there are any other styling boxes that you think I should try out that you would highly recommend, let me know that. I've been considering checking out Trunk Club, so if you think that I should try that out and film it, let me know that in the comments. I think that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.